So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and take photos or videos with your AirPods via using the little side button on your AirPods with your iPhone. Now, this means that you can go ahead and set your iPhone to the side, turn on the camera, and use your AirPods and click on the little side thing on your AirPod to take a photo or video. Now to do this, it's actually very basic. First things first, you need to be on iOS 26 in order to do this. So make sure you are on iOS 26. If you're not, you should wait until the official update comes out. So just go and keep that in mind. Now, once you're done and you're updated, you also need to have AirPods Pros 2s. I don't even have AirPods Pros 2s, so make sure you have AirPods Pros 2s in order for this to work. Then what you can do is you can go ahead and open up your camera application like this when your AirPods are connected, and you can then go through and put your AirPods right inside of your ear. So put your AirPods inside of your ear. Again, you have to have AirPods Pros 2s. I think AirPods 4s in order to do this. Then when you're good, you see this little side button right here inside of your AirPods. What you're going to want to do is basically when you have the camera up, you want to basically click into this little side button right here while it's inside of your ear. And when your ear connected, you can click on the power button and you should be able to go through and see the photos and videos start to be taken inside of your particular iPhone. So that's basically how it's done. It's a very basic process. That's essentially how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.